Good morning, first graders. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to get into Skyward to take your online assessments. Remember, today our assessments are on our journey story, which is what is a PAL, and also the vocabulary that we worked on this week. Okay, so you're going to go to the Bondwell homepage first. Then you need to go to this bubble right here that says Skyward. Click on that. This will pop up right here. You need to use your login ID and password. Those are on that white password card that I sent home, or if you don't have it, please just message me and I can let you know what your login is. It's also the same login that you use to get into your device. Okay, I'm going to use one just as an example here to show you what it looks like once we get in. Okay, so then when you get this far, you want to look over to the side. It says upcoming events. So these are the two tests you have to take today. I know that this one says Wednesday, September 30th. But it's supposed to say Friday, September 25th. That's my fault. So you have a vocab as well as the comprehension. So this one right here, the one that says Lesson 1, What is a PAL? That's the comprehension test. Now, moms and dads or whoever is your homework helper, they can read those questions to you, but you need to make the selection. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like once we get inside there. You click this button, come over, and you click Take Event. All right, and then you can see all of the questions. So the adult can read these. Yep, that's right. And then once you make your selections, make sure you go to the next page because as you can see, there's 2 pages. There's a total of 10 questions. Okay, after you answer all 10 questions, you're going to go over here and click Save and Complete Event. I'm not going to click it right now because then this friend can't take their test. Okay, once you save and complete event, then you can go take the vocab. Okay, in the vocab, the first graders should be able to read mostly on their own. If they do get stuck, you can try to help them. But most of these words, they should be able to sound out because we worked on the short A, we worked on the N, and also there's words in here that are their high frequency words. Again, same thing, make sure you check to the next page, and then you click Save and Complete Event. If you have any questions, feel free to just message me and I will be able to take care of that for you. Have a good day. Bye.